All right, guys, so here's going to be example number 5. Probably going to be the last example that I'm giving you for today. So let's go ahead and take a look. It says there are 810 calories in 3 scoops of vanilla ice cream. How many calories are there in 7 scoops of ice cream? So here again, we're going to be using a unit rate. And so what are we comparing? We are comparing calories to scoops. And what are they giving us for information? They're giving us that there are 810 calories for 3 scoops. And what are they asking us? How many scoops will there be in 7 calories? Well, since I don't have a good way to turn a 3 into a 7, then what I'm going to do is I am going to use a unit rate. So I have 810 out of 3, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn that 3 into a 1, and then I'm going to turn that 1 into a 7. So that helps me develop sort of my path. So how do you change a 3 into a 1? I divide that by 3. And since I want to keep things proportional, then I'm going to go ahead and divide 810 by 3. So I'm going to use my calculator for that. So 810 divided by 3 is 270. And now I'm going to go ahead and take my unit rate and turn it into how many calories for 7 scoops. So how do I change a 1 into a 7? I times that by 7. So then I'm going to multiply this by 7, again keeping that relationship proportional. So I'm going to take my 270, I'm going to multiply that by 7, and we are going to get 1,890 calories. So that's quite a bit. So what do I know? I know if there are 810 calories in 3 scoops, that's the same as 270 calories per 1 scoop, which means that there are 1,890 calories in 7 scoops. All right, so I hope that's helpful, kids. Thank you.